हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ व्हाट द वर्ड। आज का हमारा वर्ड्स है, यानी कि आज हमारे पास दो वर्ड्स है विच इज डेनोटेटिव मीनिंग एंड कैनोटेटिव मीनिंग। डेनोटेटिव मीनिंग का मतलब है कुछ ऐसे मीनिंग्स जो कि मोर और लेस सबके लिए सेम होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से सन, तो सबके लिए सन सेम है। सो ऑल द पीपल वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो विल मोर एंड लेस इमेजिन समथिंग दैट इज a ball type structure, extremely bright and yellow, maybe orange. So it is same for everybody. Denotative meaning means messages that are more or less similar for almost everybody. But if I say tree, everybody will imagine different trees, maybe an apple tree, orange tree, coconut tree, or maybe a banyan tree, neem tree. So what happens is when the meaning of the word is more or less same for everybody, we call it denotative meaning. But when the message is different for everybody, that means it can be understood according to their own belief system, attitudes and values, then it is known as connotative meaning. When the meaning of the message is effectively changing because of emotional factors of the person who is to understand the message, this is known as connotative meaning. Wait for our next video while downloading our application from the link mentioned below, liking, subscribing and sharing our video. See you next time.